Hello viewers, and today I wanted to discuss with you a little bit about another method to store coins and keep them protected. And today I'll be talking about clear coin flips. Now, unlike the cardboard ones where you put it in and you staple it and it's permanent, these are plastic coin flips where you can simply stick a coin in. And if you want to take it out to look at it or to examine it, all you do is open it up and take it out. So one of the things I do when I put a coin in a plastic coin flip is I go to my printer and I print out some information on a piece of paper, and I cut it down to the right size and I slip it in there. Such as for this coin right here. I have the country there. It's Canada. It's a $10 coin from 2015. It's worth $35. It's in uncirculated proof condition. And this one happens to be made of 99.9% silver, or 0.99 AG. I have a little bit of note there. It says Elizabeth, exquisite ending. And I take the same information and I print it twice and I put it opposite each other in the coin flip. That way when the coin is in there, some of the information may be blocked on that side, but I can just flip it over and look at that side. Here's some of my coins that I put in these plastic coin flips with labels. Some of these you may have seen in previous videos. So once you have it in the plastic coin flip, you can store it in a couple of ways. I just use a box that fits the 2x2 flips and put it in a box. However, if you really wanted to, you could put it in a protective plastic sheet, store it in a binder as well, such as one of these. And some of these sheets it may be a little tricky getting it in, but you can put it in here and then it's in a book. So one of the things you want to be careful of, though, you want to get the plastic coin flips that are PVC free, because over time PVC coin flips can leach into the coins and give them a film that you don't want on your coins. So I always get the PVC free ones. So viewers, I hope this helps you out with some considerations in how you want to store your coins. I personally use these plastic coin flips for my higher value coins that I might want to take out and look at. But if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.